Hello everyone, my name is Hanelit Trudes. Today for this video, we will be answering a question. And here's the message. Hello, I have Filipino girlfriend and 7-month baby. Baby was born in Philippines and she has Filipino and Polish passport. I want to invite my Filipina to visit me with our daughter. What requirements she will need to get visa, and the most important, to leave country without me. I am in Poland. Give me advice, please. Hello to you. Thank you for reaching out, and I hope you watch this video. So, since you said you want your girlfriend and daughter to visit you, so this falls under short stay Schengen visa or visiting family or friends. So, this visa allows your partner, your girlfriend, to stay up to 90 days. But the final number of days still depends on the embassy if they will grant the 90 days. So please note that a short stay visa cannot be extended or and cannot be converted to a long stay visa. If your girlfriend plans to stay more than 90 days in Poland, then she should apply for a long stay visa instead. And as you have said, because your daughter has a Polish passport, then she does not need a visa to enter Poland. So only your Filipino girlfriend needs to apply for a visa. Now, the question, where to apply? So your girlfriend will submit her requirements to BLS Philippines because the BLS is the official service provider of the Polish embassy in the Philippines.